grade families. Welcome to our 8th grade Google Classroom tutorial. Mr. Steve?
Hi, so we're just going to highlight some of the important features, but it's not going to be super long. So this is kind of what you'll see when your child is in a Google Meet. You'll see some of the other students in the Google Meet, and Mrs. Atkins is going to kind of go through what a Google Classroom will look like for pretty much all of the subject areas.
So I'm trying to share my screen right now, if you give me just a moment. So when your son or daughter opens up Google Classroom, we recommend not getting to Google Classroom through email, because that can be overloading, inundating, confusing. Rather, go to the Google Classroom link. They can find that right here in the waffle, or they can just type in Google Classroom. It will bring up all of their classes, and they can click on their hours to see what work they have to do. When they first open it up, they have a Google Meet link available here. That link allows them to get into their class Google Meet at any necessary time. Should the student not be able to utilize that link, if they click on it and it says they don't have access, they may have beat the teacher to the site. So tell them to back out and try it again. But that's a Google Meet link. The stream allows them to see some quick information from teachers. We sometimes call that our hallway. But to go into the classroom right here, we're going to click on the classwork tab. The teacher should have the folder set up by weeks, making it easy to follow, and typically it will tell what day of the week the assignments are. You'll notice when they open an assignment, for example, on this one, it happens to be material. When they open that Wednesday assignment, they just simply have some directions that the students need to read carefully, follow them in order, and then if there are links provided, that may be a benefit for extra material they need for that day. Sometimes there are actual assignments, such as this one. You can tell by the clipboard feature there. When they click on the assignment and they open it up again, carefully reading the directions, follows in order, and then the links will be provided. You can tell this one is a video link because it's called a Loom. And they can follow the video link maybe for a mini lesson or some additional instruction. Sometimes teachers provide slides, which allow the kids to see the breakdown of the instruction. Sometimes there's handouts provided. And sometimes these documents are going to be made for the student to be able to type in. So that's a variety of activities that you would see in a teacher's page. Your son or daughter should have some practice with this. They've already done this in many of their classrooms.
And the best way as parents to check their progress is to check PowerSchool. All teachers will be updating the scores from Google Classroom into PowerSchool, so you'll be able to check it as normal.
Parents, we just really want to thank you again for your continued partnership in your child's education. Always feel free to reach out, give us a call, or send us an email. We'll be checking those obviously quite frequently. So just feel free to reach out and let us know if you have any questions or concerns.